Okay, I'm gonna try pairing it. Press these three dots. It's blinking. Say next. Press again. Next. Flash. Yes. It's done. Okay, I think in the previous video, in the previous attempt, I was taking too long between the steps, so you have to be fairly quick. It is paired. Okay, it says install sensor. It's gonna tell you each and everything, but I'm not gonna go through all of this because it's a video. I have to play that. Basically, I need to install this on the door and this next to the motor. I will do that in the garage. Probably I will make another video for that.